Glo-Bus students don't lose sight of what really matters. 80% of their Glo-Bus questions can be answered by understanding how the game is scored. If you want to know how the game is scored, you read it in bold and/or italics in the official Glo-Bus Player's Guide, or in the gray boxes on the camera and drone journal pages next to where the scores are. I'm not making this stuff up. To review, the scoring for your final grade is composed of the total EPS for all rounds, total ROE for all rounds. That's understandable. But only the last 3 years' image counts, and only the last year's credit rating and stock price count. You see? Also, because of the natural inflation of overall demand in the game, the beginning EPS and ROE amounts are of much less weight than the later EPS ROE amounts, because it doesn't matter when you post the EPS amounts when it comes to scoring. Why would most Glo-Bus students ignore this? Because they haven't really read the official Glo-Bus Player's Guide, or they don't understand it because it is so stinking long. Don't ignore what is right in front of you and what you've been asked to do as managers of this company. The 5 scoring metrics in the right time that those metrics matter. Watch this one next.